Welcome to the MyStockCollection Quality Checker tutorial. MyStockCollection does not have any pre-screening or pre-selection restrictions, so in theory members can upload any type of image. And to ensure good quality for the visitor, MyStockCollection offers the flagging interface and the quality checker interface. And in this tutorial we'll deal specifically with the quality checker. Image quality on the website is managed by the members and the users. So what the quality checker does, it draws random images from the database and presents them to the viewer. And the viewer has the opportunity to either suggest a keep or delete to the owner of that image. The opinion is 100% anonymous and non-punitive. Let's see how that works. By selecting Quality Checker, the Quality Checker interface delivers random images and the visitor can select Keep or Delete. This information is then passed on to the member, and on the member's image setup they receive a stamp whether it was passed or failed. An overview of one's quality control history can be found from the admin dashboard under Flagging and Quality Control, and then simply scrolling to the bottom of the page and locating Quality Checker. One can see how many of one's images have passed through the Quality Checker, showing how many have passed, how many have failed, and a subsequent average. A long-term history is also available on request.